Hey guys, welcome back. Now let's try and add some icons to the toolbar. So far you've learned some basic formatting, some cell formatting, and word art. Let's try adding the bold, italic, and underline formatting to the quick access toolbar. So let's start by looking for the icons themselves like so. So let's go to home. Oops, let's double click there. Now here are the ones we're looking for. Okay. Bold, italic, and underline. So hopefully you guys can see that. All right, so once you've found it, what we're going to do is add it to the toolbar. So this, for example, for the bold, is going to go up here. So it's going to add to the end of the line, okay? So to do that, you want to go on top of the bold. You want to right click like so. Now the first one on the line is first one on the list is going to say add to quick access toolbar. So select that, and as you'll see, now it's up here. Okay, let's do that again. So this time for italic, we want to go right click, add to quick access toolbar, and there you go. As you can see, now we have the two buttons up here. So now, what about items with a drop down? So a drop down, actually, let's use the auto sum. As you can see here for drop down, anything with a triangle like that, if I can get it, is a drop down. Meaning when you click on it, a list of items will drop down for you. Now you have two options. You can either add the entire button, which would be the auto sum button, or you can add the drop down as well, so that the drop down goes into your quick access. So let's do the first one. Okay, let's add just the auto sum. So we want to go on top of the auto sum like so, right click, add to quick access toolbar. Now as you can see, our button, our auto sum button, is by itself. There is no drop down, so you can't do all those extra functions. However, we want the whole thing, so let me get rid of this. I'll show you guys how to do this later. You want to click on the triangle. Okay, so you right click, add to quick access. Now this will add the whole thing. As you can see, now there's a triangle. So if you click on that, this drop down is the same as this drop down, which means when you're doing work, you don't even need the menu tab. You can work in here and work up here. And you can customize this depending on what you're working on. So it's great. If you're using bold a lot, you can keep using bold, which is great. Now you want to go in reverse. We've added things to the quick access toolbar, but now we want to get rid of some stuff. So let's say we change the type of work we're going to be working on. We don't need bold, italic, and auto sum anymore. So we're going to get rid of them. So to do that, you go up to the top. Let's say we want to get rid of auto sum. You want to right click, and first on the list, remove from quick access toolbar. There you go, and it's deleted it. So let's do it again for the others. You hover over italics, right click, remove. And lastly for the bold, right click, remove. Alright guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed. Have a play around with all the favorite ones you're going to be working with, especially as we go through some more of the lectures. The ones that are your favorites, chuck them up there. The ones you don't like so much, get rid of them. And that's it. Alright guys, I will see you next time.